Hi, I'm Thorsten from Neon Sprints, and today I'd like to talk to you about how might we's, one of my favorite methods from the design sprint. How might we's are a great method to align a team towards one goal. So here's how it works. One of my big aha moments with the design sprint was that we focus on the problem. So we start by finding the right problem before we start the creative process. This was very hard for me because as a creative person, I'd like to jump into the creative process right away. So in the beginning, we invite experts to find the right problem and then reframe it as in how might we question. Side note, we Germans, we love uncovering problems. So if you want to find the problem in a project or a process, invite Germans. We will find it. So what do you need for this? You need a black pen, you need Post-its, and you need the experts. Experts can be project leads, can be users, can be the boss. I personally love to talk to call center representatives and sales executives because they have a lot of contact with their clients and they know a lot about their problems. When you interview the people, problems come in different kinds of shapes and sizes. Like, for example, sometimes it's covered behind an idea. We need a chatbot on the website to create more leads. Or sometimes it's really in your face and say, we don't sell enough of our new product. So you listen to this, and instead of writing down the problems, you start writing down how might we questions. Means transforming them or rephrasing them as a challenge. For example, how might we grab the attention of our user and hold it? Or how might we show the benefits of our product earlier? By reframing the problems into how might we questions, they become an opportunity or a challenge to solve. So during the interview, you collect a lot of problems and reframe them into how might we questions. Then all you need to do next is decide on which how might we questions to follow. And how you can do that, we will show you in one of the following videos.